Okay, so we're stepping off of the Whaler 420 Outrage. Just a look at the side profile on the Whaler. And so this 420, it's got a length overall of 42 feet 6 inches, a beam of 13 feet, and a draft of 31 inches. Take a look at the front of the Outrage 420 here. Just beautiful lines. Again, we're going to take a quick shot here up to the bow. Fantastic. Again, very impressed with the nice varnished teak and the stainless steels and just the overall look and feel and usability for this boat. So definitely a fishing machine, but something that can be used all day long.